Hello everyone, welcome back to Patty's Barbie. You're probably wondering where Rebecca is. Well, she is there, but it's me today. I'm going to show you all how to make a simple bird feeder for both grains and water. So it's very important for birds to drink water. Items we need: 2 plastic containers, and 2 bottles, a knife, and some glue. First, we need to cut 1 hole at the bottom of the bottle. Please be careful with this knife, friends. I'm almost done. And now we need to glue the bottle to the container. There, it's stuck now. I can't wait. Okay, I'm going to paint this. Red is my favorite color. Red and green spots. And for the other bottle, I'm gonna do purple and green. Birds, can you come over for a snack? Yay! I'm excited. Okay, let's fill these up with water and grains. The birds will be here soon. I'm gonna do water first. Let me put water there. Okay. Hey, can you see the water rushing out in the container? The birds are gonna love it. And now grains. See, it's also coming out. Okay, it's ready now. You can make this. It's easy. So, we done it. So, water and grains. Nice, right? I wonder what birds are gonna come and drink it. Maybe I can take a video of them? I'll see. So I found a perfect place to put these bottles. Hey, I can see those birds. If you'd like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.